Today we're changing the brake pads, because stopping is kind of important, right? We start by removing the caliper bolts nice and easy, unless they've been there since the car was born. Then out come the old brake pads. The ones that scream louder than your alarm clock every morning. Bye-bye, noisemakers! Next, we remove the whole brake caliper and take off the rotor. Now, this rotor has seen some things, but we're giving it a makeover. A proper lathe treatment to make it perfectly smooth again. No more vibration, no more squeaks, just silky braking. Once it's looking brand new, we fit the rotor back, slide in the new pads, bolt everything down, and boom, job done. Clean, tight, and ready to stop like a dream. Quick pit stop here. Hit like, follow, share, and comment. Because these brakes don't bleed themselves. And that's how you go from screeching nightmares to silent perfection. Another day, another smooth stop.